it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, a style unboxing, and I have my Stitch Fix today. Hi everyone, it's Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on in my new location. So a lot of you that have been following me know that I moved. We are in a rental home while we're building a home. So I'm trying to figure out the best way and best place to film this. So we'll start here, no telling where I'll end up. But anyways, Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar, they have a $20 styling fee that is applied to anything that you purchase. I do have referral links. So if you use my referral link, we both receive a $25 credit. Yeah, both of us. Isn't that nice? That's a nice little gift to give them a try. All right, let's see what I have. I have, let's see what I have. The return label. Anything that doesn't work out for you, just put it in this label or in this envelope label. And you drop it off. I believe it's the USPS. Is that right, Mike? USPS box? He's on the phone. Yeah, he's upstairs. You can hear everything I say. Everything's open here. Okay, so that's where it gets dropped off. I'm pretty sure, because he just had one. He dropped his off at the post office. And then, nice envelope that has a note from your stylist. Let me see who I have. Shelby. Shows you how you suggested ways to style the items that you received. You get 5 items, and if you keep all 5, you receive a 25% discount. That's a nice bonus also. In here is the invoice. I am not going to look at this. I'm going to wait and see if I like the items. So let's see what's in the bundle. Okay, I had to do some adjusting. I'm not used to not having my island to work from. Okay, what's this? What is this? Is it a cardigan? It looks like, I don't know if it's a cardigan or just a wraparound sweater. Okay, we'll find out during the try on. Oh, a pair of PAIGE jeans. Oh, these are gonna be pricey. I like the wash on them. I hope they're high-waisted. I like the feel. They look like, oh, I think they're skinnies. They look like your basic jeans, but they are PAIGE, so they're probably gonna be very pricey. I don't know what this is. I think we went from fall to summer. Oh, it's a dress. Getting ready to go to the beach. This could work out pretty nicely. That could work out. White. I don't think I really need white. I hope she sized me up. Nope, these should have been sized up. Oh goodness, I don't know, I like the feel. Look at I don't know if you can see the fabric on this. I have the cup. They look like straight legs, so maybe that'll work out. Okay, and then another pair of jeans. Huh.
You cut me off.
Oh, that stinks. So a pair of jeans, who are these? Oh, these are by PAIGE also. I like the wash on them, and they are, I guess you'd call these flared. So let's get to the try on. First outfit, I had a dress on to start out with, so I thought I'd go ahead and put this one on, see how it fits. It fits very well. The stripes match up. Okay, all my shoes and all my jewelry are still in boxes. I have no idea where they are. I've been wearing gym shoes this entire time, so I need to dig out some boxes. All right. This dress is by VINEYARD Vines. It is $98. $98. I know their stuff's expensive, but it's pretty cute. This is really, I would consider this just slide it on, put a pair of tennis shoes on or sandals and go out the door. It's easy enough to wear every day. It is a great length. I mean, the colors are really pretty. The stripes match up. The only thing is there's a lot of material back here. And guessing that's because it's a medium, and it is a straight cut, but I think the stripes make it look like you have like a waist, but I think it's really a straight, pretty much a straight cut. The colors are really pretty. So it's white with the blue, with the, I think that's a turquoise. I mean, but $98, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about that. So what do you guys think? Let's try something else. Okay, you guys, let me just say I feel like a hot mess right now. I am not comfortable in these clothes, and I don't know what I'm doing with this top. So I'm gonna show you the outfit. I'll back up. I did find some shoes. The company that packed all my shoes, they packed the entire house. Well, when I went to double check to make sure they didn't forget anything, once they were already gone, I looked underneath the shelf in the closet and I found 2 pairs of shoes, but they don't match. I found these from Ann Taylor, and I found this one from Clark's, and they're both the right foot. So it's not like I was gonna put one on each foot and then show you, because the jeans are kind of long, but it's not gonna work out. Okay, let's start with this top. Oh goodness, let me see what it is. It's called the Vince Wrap Cardigan. It's black. It's $165. $165, they're crazy. Yeah, I don't know what it's made of. It doesn't matter, it's too expensive and it doesn't fit. It's a size small. I couldn't figure out how to wrap it because the lengths are too short. Like my stomach's hanging out over here on this side. There is a hole on the side where you take one and you run it through, and then you have the other one, but there's not enough length to put them on one side or the other. So it's kind of like I couldn't figure it out, but it's too short and it's too expensive, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. So I tied it in the back. I know it's not right. So look how pretty. It is very soft. It is, I think I told you, it is black. I mean, it's a nice sweater. I don't wear anything this short right now. Let's see, here's the back. Okay, I don't know. Let's talk about these jeans. These jeans, which ones are they? Okay, I'm not sure which ones I have on because they're both blue. One's indigo and one's blue. Hold on. Okay, the ones that I have on are by PAIGE. They're the Laurel Canyon high-rise jeans in blue, $229, which is typical for PAIGE jeans. They do feel nice. Let me back up. They are very long. Pockets. I'm going to try the jeans on with one shoe. This is about a 3-inch heel, so you can see how long they are. I like the style of these jeans, but $229, I mean, they're nice, but there's nothing other than the feel. There's nothing special about them. I mean, they fit great, but I have other jeans that fit pretty good for much less. So let's see. You guys see that? They're on the ground. Yeah, so these are no. Let's try on the other jeans. I have on the white jeans, and I'm pleasantly surprised that they actually fit. Barely, but they fit. They are size 6. They are by Cosmic, let me see. Cosmic Blue Love. They are the Adrianne Boyfriend jean, $88. $89, yikes. We're at the end of the season. So they fit pretty well. No gapping in the back. They are cuffed at the bottom, and they do unroll. So then they're kind of like a straight leg. And then here's the straight leg. So I don't know. I mean, they're 5 pocket. I mean, they're nice. But do I really need them this time of year? for $88 because there's so many sales out there. So you got to kind of consider that. Okay, hold on. These would not go on. They're just too small. They are by Paige. They're a 28. What the difference is, I don't know, between the two pair. The other pair fit. Let's see. These are the Skinnies Indigo, $178. Yeah, so sorry, these are Skinnies. So maybe they just, you know, fit different, I guess, but they would not go on. Okay, let's do a review and see if there's any keepers. All right, I'm not going anywhere. I'll just stay right here. These you already know are no because I can't even get them on. The Cosmic Love white denim that I have on, I don't know. I kind of like them. I wish I had some shoes to try on with them just to see how they would look. I would probably wear white tennis shoes with them, or maybe a pair if I had a cute pair of sandals, but I mean, I do have some, but I don't know if they would actually go with these. So I'm on the fence, and I'm on the fence. Do I really need them right now? I don't know. They fit, so I don't know. Okay, the dress. I mean, this is cute, but is it worth $88 from Vineyard Vines? I mean, I like the style of it, but I don't know if I want to pay $88 for it. I could get some wear out of it because we are going to the beach next month, but I don't know. You know, again, it's the end of the season and there are a lot of sales out there. So I'm on the fence. So I'm on the fence with the dress and with the white denim. And then we have the Paige boot cut, I guess, for $229. No, thank you. No, I mean, there's nothing special. I mean, everybody raves about Paige and they're nice, but I mean, they feel nice, but you know, I don't know. I'm not overly excited for the price. All right, this sweater. Let's see what this thing is made out of because it is expensive. Look at my glasses. Well, how much did I say this was? By Vince, $165. This should be cashmere. Oh my goodness. 53% rayon, 42% polyester, 5% spandex. She sent me a small petite and it's made in Vietnam. So, this is definitely a no. I don't get the price. And that's it. So I have two possibilities. I'm not sure if I were to keep the entire box. Let's see how much. $758. Can you believe that? $758. Buy all, 25% discount. I'd save $189.50. My price would be $568.50. Okay, so Stitch Fix and I need to have a little chat because these items are just way too expensive. Yeah, we need to get a little more reasonable with pricing. So that's it. That's my Stitch Fix. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. Okay, I'm gonna start filming.
I'm on the phone, okay.
Oh, well.
I'm on hold, I don't know how long it takes.
All right. If I hear you start talking, I'll just stop it. Let's see.
They can look.
Huh?
They've got an automated kind of system. I can look at my phone, but I can't cancel it or change it.
Oh. Yeah, I'm in no. How do I want to start this?